Hi traders, welcome to the F Trader. I'm Kay and I'm going to give you another market briefing. It's going to be quite brief actually today. It's Friday. Markets haven't actually been quiet, but we're going to run through the charts quite quickly. But just before we jump in, if you like this channel, please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so we've been talking about gold last couple of sessions. Today gold's had a down day. It's gone back into its sideways pattern. Let me just show it to you on a 4-hour chart. So we had this sideways pattern. It did a lower low outside of that Bollinger Band. It's come back up and continued with its sideways pattern, and then it broke out. And I was hoping that it's going to form a little bull flag and carry on higher. It hasn't. It actually got sold back down into the sideways pattern. It could just run down. It did run down actually, I should say, to about the 1836, but it got bought back up again very quickly. I do feel that it could break out of this again and obviously go to higher highs, but we have to just wait and see. It may just continue going into a sideways pattern as it's entered this sideways movement. Not much more I can add on that, except that we are still long and holding our position for the upside. Just quickly moving on to Bitcoin. I've been discussing Bitcoin in the last couple of sessions. If we look at this on a 4-hour chart, it was around here I said I feel Bitcoin's getting a bit tired and the sellers are going to come in. The sellers did come in, pushed it down to here, and they've even pushed it down even further. In my last video, I did mention that there's quite good support here, and it'll be interesting to see if Bitcoin can break through. I do think it can, and I'll talk to you about that in a second. It broke through the support, but then buyers came back in and it's taken it up again. It could be a little bear flag that it's causing, and we've got some way to go to further lower lows. I do see Bitcoin probably coming down in the long term to probably the 1800. The 18,000 I should say. But I mean, we've got some way to go. It's currently penetrated this support here. But the buyers have come back in. I think the next step and the test is going to be around here. So around the 28, actually maybe a little bit lower, around the 26, 27,000. But we'll see. Bitcoin does operate over weekend, so I'll keep an eye on it. But my next video will obviously be on Monday. So just quickly to jump into the pound dollar, the cable, it's still going in its positive run up. It's done a bit of a pullback, nothing significant. I do think that the next couple of trading sessions, Sunday night that it opens the Asian market, it should start making new higher highs and continue this bull run to about the 140, 145. But we'll keep an eye on that. We are still long and holding that position. With regard to the Euro USD, we took a long position around here. It's still keeping above the 40 EMA. Hasn't done much today, but we have a very tight stop here. Just waiting for it to break out towards the 23, 1.23, 1.2225, around that range, and we'll probably maybe tighten our stop a bit more. Nothing more I can add really there. Please leave me your comments and your feedback, and I'll speak to you guys on Monday. Thanks. Have a good weekend.